This video will explain how to use verbose values in Velappity. Verbose values are a useful feature in Velappity and can be used to edit the back end of the form to change the way the information is displayed on the output report document. The purpose of verbose values are so that small answers on a mobile device can be displayed as larger paragraphs and recommendations in the output report. There are multiple ways that verbose values can be used, depending on the control selected. Firstly, verbose values can be used in the checkbox control. Typically, the checkbox output would display as true or false, depending on if the checkbox is selected or not. This can be edited by selecting verbose values. Here you can change the true and false values to whatever you would like to be displayed on the report if the box is checked or unchecked, and you can also choose to have a tick or a cross displayed if preferred. This process is the same for when editing the values for the group checkbox control. Verbose values can also be used for drop-down list and radio button controls. This feature is useful in these instances where the answer that the mobile user selects on the handheld form isn't necessarily the information you would like to be displayed on the output report for your client. For example, when assessing the risk of a particular system, when the user selects low, you may wish the output report to display the sentence, "No action required," or have action required displayed when high is selected. To do this, select verbose values. Here you can add a verbose value for each option in the drop-down list, which will be displayed in the report. However, in the case where there's more than one option in the drop-down, you will need to stagger the verbose values as shown. This is as verbose value 1 is associated with the low option, therefore you need to create a verbose value 2 and verbose value 3 for the remaining options. Now you have learned how to use verbose values in Velappity. Please see our video library for further training videos.